How's it going, guys? My name's Cameron and welcome to the channel. Had this channel for a couple months now. I haven't really done a whole lot with it. Just been, you know, a little bit busy with work, but I kind of wanted to, since I've had a Mustang now for about 3 or 4 months, especially being a truck guy, I wanted to possibly, you know, take a little more time, maybe make some videos more frequently, maybe make an actual kind of street speed 717 type vlog, and just kind of show the day-to-day life and activity of what it's like owning a Mustang, especially in Texas, you know, where we have lots of big trucks, and, you know, I have a lot of the things that I like to do kind of more often require a truck than not. So I wanted to show a little bit of what that lifestyle is like now that I've switched to a Mustang, you know, how it's treated me so far, and the pros and cons of it, which there are some dumb cons that you guys will see hopefully in upcoming videos. But, you know, I wanted to take you guys through that journey with me. So that being said, hopefully I'll start posting a lot more. Please like and subscribe. The more people who like and subscribe to it, the more videos I'll start making, the more fun, you know, give feedback. If there's anything you guys want to see, you know, I'll start destroying some tires a little bit later. You know, right now all I've got is a Corsa Extreme catback, but I plan on eventually upgrading a lot more things. This is, knock on wood, going to be probably one of the loudest vehicles on the planet by the time I'm done with it. Not that it's quiet by any stretch of the imagination. And so to highlight on that, I actually wanted to just kind of do a little montage clip right now of a trip that I took earlier this week. And there's a little bit of my exhaust right there, but little trip I took not that long ago, just going to a local brewery, and, you know, give you guys some good exhaust clips. I tend to drive a little faster than I probably should, so figured you guys might enjoy hearing what the exhaust sounds like. You know, it's fantastic and I love this car, and I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. So without any further ado, here's the clip. And everyone should know that there were no traffic laws were broken during this trip. Every single time I was well within the speed limit, no moving violations of any sort, just having some fun. So hope you guys enjoy, and like I said, like and subscribe. And with that being said, I will see you guys next time.